Hello, welcome to SNS channel. SNS stands for Swarup and Santosh. Swarup is myself and Santosh is my husband. I used to post earlier as SwarupkiRasoi, but I have decided to change the name of my channel as I have made some changes to what I'll be posting. I used to post only cooking videos in English. I have now decided to post them also in Hindi and Gujarati. Another major change I have done is to try and post some traveling videos. Myself and my husband, both of us love traveling, and because of the COVID, we had restricted how much we could travel. But now the world has opened up and we are able to travel further. So I thought I should bring some videos about traveling also for you. As me and my husband both travel together, I have changed the name to include my husband's name to it. Hope you like our channel. If you like it, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Please feel free to put any comments you wish. Thank you.